Just a question, please.
I'm not going to rush myself because who I am. I'm the daughter of Cheikh Saliou Afrika Bambaataa. And my brother, you came here because he sent you here to me. As you know, that my father, Cheikh Saliou Afrika, gave me this blessing that I'm carrying right now on my hand. He gave it to me. It was blessed by him. You were sent. You were sent by God to us.
Just 1 second. He said that you pledge allegiance to Serigne Saliou, and he is Serigne Saliou. He told me that.
Tell them.
Say jëbbal naa la.
Il faut parler.
Say louder.
Jëbbal naa la. Sama bopp. Àddina ak alaxira ci barkeb Serigne Saliou.
My father. My father. My father's with us.
Anybody have question? You got a question?
D'accord. Last question.
Last question.
All praises to Allah. Cheikh, you have mentioned about whoever sees you go to paradise. My question is, as human beings, as we have shortcomings, and if somebody comes to you and see you, doubts and believe, does it still allow to enter paradise?
Even the disbelievers. Let's not be cruel.
Prendre dans le sens compris par tout le monde la parole de Serigne Saliou. Qui me voit, qui me connaît, va au paradis.
Amen. Thank you.
So it's clear. You comprends français,
jërëjëf may woo mbooloo mi nu waxandoo nu ñëpp jërëjëf Serigne Saliou. jërëjëf Serigne Saliou. jërëjëf Serigne Saliou. bismillah.
ay Mbàkke dara daawa ay Mbàkke dara daawa du jébalo du ñu ram jëm jëne rek Yàlla nek lay doon du ñu jëm te Isaali ay Mbàkke dara daawa du jébalo du ram jëm jëne rek lay doon ay Mbàkke dara daawa Yàlla nit lay doon du fi jébalo du ram jëm ci ne Yàlla nit lay doon